Hi, Gunpla TV here, back with another unboxing video. In this video, we'll be unboxing the Wing Zero EW version. Yep, from Bandai. This kit came with the Banki LTO sticker, which means you can use it for the GBWC Philippines. Quite the idea. Alright, let's unbox. I also bought an action base, but I don't think it's pretty, so we'll do something else. Now, alright, smell test. Fresh. Right, let's do the runner check. So yeah, I bought this kit a few months ago for 3,300 peso. I mean, is it worth it? Still is, right? There's a newer kit out there, but this is worth it in my opinion. It's still a beautiful kit. So I bought an action base for this kit, and it just doesn't do the kit justice. The date is September 11, and I think the final date for Gunpla Builders World Cup is September 15 here in the Philippines. I just might make a simple diorama for this kit, just for the heck of it. Just because I don't like the Bandai action base. I don't like the action base 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on and so forth. Let's see if I find time. I mean, there's 4 days. I reckon I can create a better action base for this kit. This is Gunpla Builders World Cup. There's still time. Just make a base and enter the kit. Let's see what happens. Alright. Goodbye, stay Bandai.